How do you prevent your AC unit from flooding your house? Yeah, you heard me right. Can that AC unit flood a house? It sure can. Why? Your AC unit pulls out condensation from the air, the moisture. It produces condensation. So you have sensible heat, but you also have latent heat. Latent heat is basically the moisture in the air. And so your air conditioner is pulling that out. That's why you have a condensate line and a pipe that runs out of your house to safely remove that condensate. Now, there's a primary and a secondary, at least there should be. The secondary usually drains over a window. So if it's draining, you can see, oh no, I have a problem. I need to call a contractor. The primary usually drains close to the ground or sometimes to an interior drain line. Now, how do you prevent leaks? Well, if your system has an issue and the primary and or secondary get clogged, which happens, that condensate is going to fill the tray that your coil sits in the indoor unit, and then it's going to eventually leak out. And if your system's in the attic, it'll eventually bring your ceiling down. If it's in the garage, I've seen it where it runs against the wall into an interior bedroom. And if it's in a basement, a little bit better scenario, which who wants a flooded basement? So this little device here, a condensate safety switch, which wires into your system, can prevent that disastrous flood. What it does is the condensate flows through this as it normally would. It flows out of the house, but it has to pass through this. And inside this is a float. And if this float lifts, it closes the circuit and shuts your system off. Now you're gonna have to clear your condensate line, but your house will not flood. As a homeowner, there are some things you can try to clear a line on your own. Depending on how bad the clog is, you could run some warm water and some vinegar into your condensate line. There's usually a clean out. You can pour it in there, see if that will work loose any debris or buildup or anything like that in the line. Now, if that doesn't work, there's some more aggressive things you can do. There's some devices you can probably get at Home Depot that can help you. However, you got to be a little bit handy to do that because you are messing with your system. It does get a little bit more involved. Or in that case, just call an HVAC contractor and get them to help you clear it. They'll come out. We basically push nitrogen under high pressure through the line and clear it. But the most important thing is prevent the flood. So one of the things you want to make sure you do is at least once a year, have your condensate line flushed. Now, again, you can run some vinegar or some warm water through it, and that kind of cleans it out. But what I recommend is having a maintenance done by a licensed contractor and let them run the high pressure nitrogen through it and make sure it blows out anything that could possibly become an issue now or down the road. So if you have this device, fantastic. If you don't, easy enough to get your contractor to install one. And remember, preventative maintenance prevents breakdowns. So don't neglect your maintenance.